Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things beauty related, all kinds of makeup content, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. Today is just going to be a really quick everyday makeup tutorial using this new Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It's the Master Icon palette, and this is believed to be a dupe for Patrick Ta's palette. I love his eyeshadows. They're definitely better than this, but I think this is a really great affordable alternative. It's a really amazing $13 eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna do an everyday look using this palette. And first I'm gonna go with my ColourPop blending brush. This is the E15. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is a really good shade to warm up your crease. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna blend it all over. This is gonna add a lot of nice warmth. These shades are matte, they are pigmented. There is a lot of fallout, but fallout doesn't really scare me because as long as they blend and perform well in the eye, then I like them. So just like that, just warming up this crease area, super, super simple. My highlight is looking a little crazy because I just did a makeup review of highlighters. e.l.f. just launched a highlighter that is a dupe, sort of a dupe for Rare Beauty. I will have that video linked below if you want to check that out, but that is why my highlighter is looking a little crazy. So just like that, we warmed up the crease with that second shade on a blending brush. Now we're going to take a smaller blending brush, like this one is the L'Oreal A20, which I'm so sad because I think that they discontinued these brushes. So I'm going to take the one right below that, which is more of a cool tone matte shade. And I'm going to blend this into my outer crease, upper outer crease area, just to give a little bit of definition. I love this eyeshadow palette. This has been my new, like, everyday go-to. So yeah, I've definitely posted a few YouTube shorts using this with like some little tutorials because it's such a good palette. Like there's so many looks that you can do with this palette. And I like that it's super affordable because the Patrick Ta palettes are expensive. I own one and I'm just like, do I want to buy another one? I don't know. Especially when this one is pretty much just as gonna do the job. But I mean, Patrick Ta's eyeshadows definitely blend a lot better, but they're just two really good palettes. So using this same brush, I am going to take this upper shade right here, which is like this third warm shade. They're very pigmented, so be sure to tap off that excess. And I'm just gonna blend this into the outer V. Just like that. Super, super simple. Like, look how nice those shades just blend. So I am going to take this shade and go underneath the eye so we can balance the top lid and the bottom lid. I'm just going to rub this along my lower lash line. And look at that. Like, that's the perfect everyday eye look. So you can keep this the way it is with your like foundation shade. You could add some shimmer. I am going to go ahead and add some shimmer just because I just reviewed this e.l.f. highlighter and I'm in love with it. So I'm just going to put it on my finger, just a tab, and tap it onto the inner half here. But I don't want anything super crazy. Love, love, love. I'm going to apply some Ravi Beauty Drift eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This is like a cool tone brown shade, and I'm also going to tightline my upper lash line. And I'm going to take an eyeliner brush. So this is the Rabbit Beauty eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna go in with this dark shade here, and I'm just gonna put this outer lashes just so I can like darken up the outer lash area. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner, and then I'm gonna apply some Persona Tubing Mascara. This mascara is so good. I love this mascara. It's a tubing mascara. It's phenomenal. I've been using the Grande Lash Serum, and it's really like made my lashes thick and long. All right, guys, mascara is on, and this is the final look. And I use this amazing affordable eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I purchased this myself on Amazon. This is definitely like sold out a lot in Ulta and on Amazon, but it is so worth it, and I love this eyeshadow palette. And I wanted to do a more affordable makeup beginner friendly tutorial. So this is the look that I came up with using this super affordable palette. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.